Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I've done today is I've done a neon Dutch pour, and I filmed it earlier and I used it on white, and the white overtook all of the neon colours. So I've scraped it all off and I have done it on a background. Now the colours I used are the Montmartre fluoro acrylics. Okay, so here we've got them here. I've used yellow, blue, orange, red, which is really pink, green and purple. So I've just got the rainbow of colours there. I've just thinned them out with a bit of Floetrol and just a tiny bit of water. And then for the black, I have got just a Torben's sample pot done in all black. Thinned out with Floetrol and a fair bit of water to make it quite thin and fluid. And yeah, so I didn't talk through this one because when I tried to do the first one with the white, I got myself all worked up and nervous because if you've seen any of my previous videos, I'm about colour on my eyes and makeup. I've only just started getting into the whole painting, and I figured I'm just going to do it, film it, not worry about talking my way through it this time. But I have filmed it and that's going to follow up now. If you like this, I think it has turned out super effective. It looks pretty rad if I do say myself. I figured the use of rad goes back to the fluoros of the 80s and they're all popular at the moment. Yeah, so I have filmed it. It's going to follow this. I'll just overlay some music on top of it and show you what I've done. I've just mixed them all into little salad dressing cups because I didn't need a lot of it. That did 2 canvases. This canvas, I think, hold on, I'm going to get what size. This canvas is 30 by 40 centimetres or 11.8 inches by 15.8 inches. So I'd done 2 lots of and these were probably only half full. So I didn't need a lot of paint for a Dutch pour, but I just really wanted to use the fluoro colours. Now these are supposedly UV reactive as well. I don't have a black light in my house to test that, but I reckon it'd look pretty cool backlit. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you do, leave a comment down below. It is a little bit different. Subscribe and let me know if you want me to do more of these. I've really gotten into the painting, and I'm definitely enjoying the creative colour aspect of it. It's just colour on a canvas instead of on my eyes. Yeah, so that would be great. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong and be a warrior, and enjoy the rest of the video, which will be me doing this and the top of my head while I'm doing a bit of blow art. Alright, thank you, bye.